Marienplatz, located in the heart of Munich, Germany, is a vibrant and historic square that holds significant cultural and historical importance. As the central square of the city, Marienplatz serves as a hub for locals and tourists alike. One unique way to see Marienplatz is through the lens of a drone. The drone provides an aerial view that allows you to fully appreciate the grandeur of this historic square. From above you can see the intricate details of the buildings surrounding Marienplatz, such as the new town hall with its famous bell. Marienplatz is not just visually appealing, it also offers an abundance of shops, restaurants, cafes, and street performers. This bustling atmosphere creates an unforgettable experience for those who visit. Whether you're looking to indulge in traditional Bavarian cuisine or shop for unique souvenirs, Marienplatz has something to offer every traveler. For tourists looking to immerse themselves in Munich's culture and history, Marienplatz is an ideal starting point. Its central location makes it easily accessible by public transportation or on foot from various parts of the city.